Google just trained Gemini on 500 billion web pages to power AI overviews. If your structured data isn't feeding that training set, you're invisible to AI search. Here are the 3 schema types that matter most right now. First schema type, local business structured data with aggregate rating. This is the foundation. When you add local business schema to your service pages, you're telling AI engines exactly what you offer, where you're located, and most critically, your review score. And the aggregate rating property is absolute gold because AI models prioritize businesses with proven social proof during training. Google confirmed in their 2024 documentation that review signals are heavily weighted in local ranking algorithms, and that same training data feeds Gemini. Your structure should include name, address, telephone, geo-coordinates, and a properly formatted aggregate rating with review count. If you're at 4.7 stars from 230 reviews, that signal trains the AI that you're an established, trusted provider. Second schema type, service schema, with area served and provider details. This connects your expertise to geographic intent. When someone asks ChatGPT or Perplexity as where to find a roofing contractor in Austin, service schema with area served properties tells the model you're relevant to that location. You need to specify the service type using the explicit service taxonomy. Define your service area with city and state structured data and include provider details that link back to your local business entity. The key is semantic clarity. Don't just say roofing services, use the specific service ontology terms that AI models understand. Commercial roofing, residential roof repair, emergency roof services. Each gets its own service schema block. Third schema type, FAQ schema targeting, question-answer training sets. AI models learn by ingesting billions of question-answer pairs. When you mark up your service page FAQs with FAQ schema, you're contributing directly to that training corpus. Google has explicitly stated that FAQ-rich results feed into their knowledge graph and model training pipelines. Your FAQ schema should answer the exact questions prospects type into search bars and voice assistants. How much does roof replacement cost in Austin? What's the best time of year for roof repairs? Do you offer emergency services? Each question becomes a training example that connects your business to intent signals. Format these as question and answer entities with accepted answer properties and make sure the answers are concise and definitive. AI models reward clear, authoritative responses. Now here's where this gets powerful. These 3 schema types create a semantic entity graph. Local business schema establishes your identity. Service schema maps your capabilities to locations and needs. FAQ schema links your expertise to actual search queries. Together, they form a knowledge structure that AI models can parse, connect, and reference during inference. When Gemini generates an AI overview for roofing contractors in Austin, it's not doing keyword matching anymore. It's traversing the entity graph it learned during training, finding businesses with complete structured data profiles, strong review signals, and FAQ content that matches query intent. If your competitor has these 3 schema types deployed and you don't, the AI model has 10 times more training signal to reference them instead of you. Implementation is straightforward, but precision matters. Use JSON-LD format embedded in script tags in your page head or body. Validate every schema block with Google's rich results test before publishing. Make sure your local business schema matches your Google business profile data exactly, or you create conflicting signals. Your service schema area served should align with your actual service radius, and your FAQ schema should pull from real customer questions, not generic SEO filler. The difference between schema that trains AI models and schema that gets ignored is semantic accuracy and entity consistency. One more critical point, update your schema quarterly. AI models retrain on fresh web crawls every few months. If your review count is stuck at 180 from last year while your reviews page shows 340, you're training the model with stale data. Same with service offerings. If you added solar panel installation but your service schema still only lists roofing, the AI won't connect you to solar queries. Structured data is not set it and forget it anymore. It's an active training signal that needs to stay current. Bottom line, every service page needs local business schema with aggregate rating, service schema with area served, and FAQ schema targeting real queries. That's how you get into the AI training set. That's how you show up when prospects ask ChatGPT or Gemini or Perplexity where to find your service. Schema isn't optional anymore. It's your entry ticket to AI search visibility.